Fact 1. Squirrels are known for their agility and can leap up to 10 times their body length from tree to tree. Fact 2. They store food, primarily nuts, in hidden locations to survive the winter months. Fact 3. There are over 200 species of squirrels, ranging from the small ground squirrels to the large tree squirrels. Fact 4. Squirrels have an excellent memory, which helps them remember where they've hidden their food caches. Fact 5. Squirrels' front teeth grow continuously throughout their lives, so they must gnaw on things to keep them from getting too long. Follow for more wildlife facts.